This is the Xiaomi logo. Ever since the company was established in 2010, you are likely to have seen it countless times. You can find it everywhere, from our products to Xiaomi stores and company headquarters. But what does it mean? In fact, there's more than one answer to this question. The letters M and I stand for Mobile Internet. This is because Xiaomi, from the very beginning, has been committed to the mission of providing everyone with an amazing mobile internet experience. In fact, this is the reason why Xiaomi smartphones were first born. But these two letters have another hidden meaning that reflects our brand spirit of Mission Impossible. This is because at Xiaomi, we believe in making possible what others consider impossible. Now, let's flip it over. You'll discover another secret message behind the logo. When you look at it upside down, the logo looks like the Chinese character for heart. This represents how we feel about you, our users. If you take a closer look, you'll also notice that compared to the Chinese character, the logo actually lacks a stroke. This is because at Xiaomi, we constantly strive to save our users a little bit of worry when it comes to technology. Whether it's our smartphones, our AIoT products, or our MIUI system, we work hard to make our tech as simple as possible so everyone can easily enjoy a smarter life. All of these messages in one simple logo. This year, Xiaomi began a new decade. And as we push to breathe new life into our company, we've breathed some new life into our logo. Xiaomi's new logo design is a super ellipse that aims to achieve the best possible visual dynamic balance. You will find that our new logo now appears both flexible and vivid in different scenarios. It's more alive. This reflects our belief that Xiaomi technology is alive and is always inspired by life. A new and exciting decade for Xiaomi has now begun, and with it will come new challenges. Together with our new logo, we're ready to bring a smarter life to all our users and continue our mission of innovation for everyone.